Is it time to buy or sell ASML Holding stock? In this video, we will delve into ASML Holding. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of July, 2025, our system has ranked ASML Holding as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.78. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it progresses in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 22.84% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 22.84% to 34.42%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -12.78%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -34.92% to -4.91% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 490.96 and 717.38. Our latest daily update for ASML Holding includes the headline: ASML Holding stock price took a fall of 8.33% on Wednesday. The ASML Holding stock price fell by 8.33% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. Going from $823.02 to $754.45. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.15%, hitting a low of $730.60 and a high of $760.90. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 4.56% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $979.99, while the lowest was $578.51. Currently, the price is 23.01%. or $225.54, below the 52-week high. It is also 32.04%, or $355.64, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of July, 2024, when the price peaked at $1,110.09. ASML has faced a notable sell-off following its latest earnings report, with shares declining by approximately 8% amid concerns regarding the future outlook for 2026. The company reported solid second-quarter results, surpassing expectations on sales and profits. However, management has opted to narrow its guidance for the remainder of 2025 and has refrained from confirming growth projections for 2026 due to uncertainty surrounding tariff impacts and macroeconomic conditions. While this has raised alarms among investors, it is essential to recognize that ASML's long-term growth narrative remains robust, bolstered by its dominant position in the semiconductor equipment industry and sustained demand for its technologies, particularly in artificial intelligence and data centers. With a historically low price-to-earnings ratio of 28, some analysts view this as an appealing entry point for long-term investors. In the short term, the stock may encounter ongoing pressure from market volatility and concerns over future earnings clarity. Nevertheless, with its strong installed base and growth in service revenue, ASML is well-positioned to potentially achieve double-digit growth through 2030. As investors consider these factors, the company's fundamental strengths suggest that the current dip may represent a favorable buying opportunity for those looking to leverage its long-term growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned ASML a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned ASML a positive rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 19th of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ASML a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ASML a sell rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned ASML a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned ASML Holding stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for ASML Holding. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The ASML Holding stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. On any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $797.45 and $777.71. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 8.33%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 38 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ASML Holding. ASML Holding finds support from accumulated volume at $750.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is typically traded at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock moved $30.30, which is a change of 4.15% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.20%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for ASML Holding, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. This figure represents a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 16th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.94. Keep a close eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ASML Holding. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ASML Holding is at $756.53. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ASML Holding encounters its first support level at $750.20. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is ASML Holding stock a good buy? Currently, ASML Holding stock presents several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of July, we expect ASML Holding to open lower by $5.80, starting at $748.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.